Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add affiliate links in your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor, and now to add a affiliate link in your Wix website text, first of all go to add elements and click on text. And now let's add a paragraph here. And now to link your affiliate with any word, just select the word so select the word first. So I'm selecting here, click here, and then click on this link icon, and here you have to select web address. Where's the web address? In this box you have to paste your affiliate link or affiliate product link. How does it open? You can select new window or current window. So here's I'm adding a random link. You must enter here your affiliate link. Now just tap on done, and that's it. As you can see, this click here text is a link text now. And now if you want to import your affiliate links, then click on add elements, and now click on embed code and select embed a site. Just add it into your Wix website section. Once added, make sure to select here website address, and in this box you have to add your affiliate links, and that's how you will be able to embed your affiliate links in your Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.